Morning, welcome everyone. Beystor Makoala, PMSs. As I always change the content a little bit just to make it a bit more interesting. Out here at a very interesting show today. We actually have our friend company here. I'll show you some snaps of that in a bit. I do apologize for the awkward video because I literally broke my phone and sitting on the stand here. Behind me there's like a nice interesting view of South African military. So I'll step outside. Maybe slightly to the left so that you can have a quick look, and then I'll go around just to show you the rest of the exhibition here in terms of ammunition, firearms. Please stick with us. Remember to always like, comment and subscribe so we can help this channel grow. Behind us, some of them Israel copies from Turkey, especially with the Kenix. I realized that it's becoming more and more popular in South Africa. I had a meeting with Kenix South Africa, and I know some of the developments that have been putting effort towards in terms of especially competition firearms. My Stoga M3K is also from Turkey. I had like a slight issue with it. I sent it back, they polished it nicely on the barrel so that you can fluidly load more rounds as you may be shooting a stage. But there's tons and tons of firearms, and you've got this huge smile on my face. You see behind us over there, there's great pistols. Some of them are for competition, others for carry, self-defense, and also for duty. On my left there's also some nice revolvers, 1911s, etc. With that, please continue to like in the comments, comment, like, subscribe. Beystor Makoala, BMTA, www.beystor.co.za. put everything together once you get home. And remember, firearms are not necessarily for violence or killing people, but I encourage people to do sport shooting for efficiency. Thank you. So this one over here, my friends, is like a modernized version of like a Rooi Valk in South Africa. So I don't know what the specific one is, but it looks like it's made out of Asia somewhere. But it looks very, very good. Sorry about that, I had to just look the other way because there's a car coming my way. And it's got some markings on it, some pretty decent electronics. I'm not gonna go inside now just to have a look at it, but I'll show you like a few snaps from the outside and maybe try and zoom out a little bit so you can see there. If I could, but it doesn't matter. So that's it. A modern version of a Rooi Valk, if I'm not mistaken. Please put down in the comments below if you know a little bit more information about this. And yeah, we appreciate your support on this channel. This one is also from here, is Devon Metro Police, also by Danelle. They look very similar. I'll show you a quick video. I was actually inside one of the other ones there, where you know it's been modified for right-hand side driving because we don't have these made for the country yet. It's mostly for export use, but this one's definitely local. So I'll show you that video. I'll link it exactly after this one. Then go take a break, have some lunch, and then get some more. I'll go back and maybe just show you some AR-15s and interesting rifles. Here's another angle from these Turkish babies here, all the way from over there, and we've been having a conversation about the different platforms. You'll see some of them are following the Israeli Galil platform, whereas some of the other ones are more towards the M16 platform, you know, similar to the AR-15 in either 223 Remington, mostly that, or 5.56 NATO. I see there's like a nice caliber here, 7.62 by 51. Very, very interesting pieces indeed. Different barrel lengths. This is probably about a 14 inch or so, maybe 14 and a half inch. The one on top here is a 16 inch definitely, so that's a 14.5 inch. some grenades, some pretty cool stuff. This is like, for the most part, new to me. I'm here with my friend who knows this stuff very well. But I'll try and see, I'll do my best to see if I can get him on camera so he can explain all these grenades that we've seen in front of us. This, for the most part, is for use or military, private contractors, etc. Very, very nice exhibition. I'll try and see if I can show you around here. A lot of stands. I've actually got this go see that stand over there, CSIR, the back, because my company is probably the only one that does both cyber security and physical security in the country. I'm yet to do a little bit more research. You see there's people from the military as well, Air Force and all those, and I'll pause the video and come back once I've got more shots for you. Now moving over to some of the big boy keys over here, as we call them in South Africa, big boys toys. I'm not even going to try and lift or try and handle or even manipulate one of these. I don't know what they are, but there's some nice information over here. This is a SAR, same manufacturer, and then you'll see that this one is 762, also by 51mm and NATO. All right, this looks like a 50 cal or so, maybe bigger, I don't know, but here are some of the specifications here, and I'm gonna try and move around, and it looks like the other stands got exactly the same type of setup, but here's a nice shot, and I'll pause the video so you can appreciate the beautiful pieces that we see in front of us over here. Staying with us this far. It's the end of the day for us here. I'll be coming back tomorrow to create some new content for you as well, hopefully, if I get time. But I really appreciate you spending time on this channel. Continue to like and subscribe, comment, and then we'll have some great content for you going forward.